Hi, fourth graders. So we're going to make a video today. This is your Math 1.6, and it's all about addition, making groups, and you're going to have three choices about which way you prefer. So I'm going to go through those three right now. I'm going to share my screen. As always, all right, here we go. So there are three ways that I'm going to share and remind you about as you do addition and making new groups. The first, probably most common way that most of us do addition is just new groups above method. So I'm just going to highlight the word above, because that reminds me that when I make a new group, I am showing it above. Now these are already done for us, so we're just going to talk it through and then we'll do some for practice. In this first problem, it does it step by step. The fourth step, of course, is the full solution. The thing that I want you guys to pay attention to is that they're showing the groups above. So we always start in the ones place. We start with the top number, showing that 9 plus 4 is 13. The 3 goes down, and the new group goes above the 7. Okay, let's move on to step 2. Now we're in the tens place. 7 plus 5 is 12. We had that new group up here. So 12 plus 1 is 13 again. The 3 goes down, and the new group now goes above the 8 in the hundreds place. Step 3, now we're in the hundreds place. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus our new group makes 16. The 6 goes down, and the new group goes above the 5 in the thousands place. And finally, moving over to the thousands place, 5 plus 6 is 11, plus our new group is 12. There's nowhere else to show new groups, so we write the entire 12 down below, our answer being 12,633. So this is the above method. The one super important thing is that you are always showing your new groups. So if you like this method, you're showing your new groups above. Okay, let's look quickly at the second way. Method 2 is the opposite. New groups below. So I'm going to highlight below. Keyword, that means that those new groups are going under. They're going below. So let's walk through this one. Again, it's the same equation. I'm just showing my new groups below. I think this is a little tricky, but if you like this way, please use it. Starting in the ones place, of course, 9 plus 4 is 13. My 3 goes down, and there's my new group, so I show it in the tens place. Step 2, I'm now in the tens place. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus my one new group is 13. My 3 goes down, and my new group is below in the hundreds place. Step 3, I'm in the hundreds place. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus my one new group makes 16. My 6 goes down, and my new group is below in the thousands place. Okay, finally, step 4, I'm in the thousands place. 5 plus 6 is 11. I had one new group, which makes it 12. So again, my sum is still the same, 12,633. Okay, so that's the below method if you prefer that way. And finally, the third way. This one is a little bit more drawn out, but it's really nice and helps you line everything up. This is the show subtotal method, right to left. So let's highlight that. show subtotals. What that means is you're going to be writing the total for each section, for each place value, I should say. So here we go. It's the same equation. We'll start in the ones place. 9 ones plus 4 ones is 13. So I write the whole thing down. Now I move in step 2 to my tens place. If I have 7 tens and 5 tens, that makes 12 tens, but it's 10 sticks, which means I have 120 total. So again, I'm jotting down the total number when I add up the 10 sticks. Okay, I'm making sure that I'm lining up each place value, my ones, my tens, my hundreds. I'm ready to go into the hundreds place. If I have 800 and 700, when I write the entire total, 8 and 7 is 15, and I know that I'm in the hundreds, which gives me those 2 zeros. So 1,500, 1,500. Again, my ones, tens, hundreds, and now thousands are lined up. Finally, I'm in the thousands place. I have 5,000 plus 6,000. I know 5 plus 6 is 11. I'm in the thousands, and I know that there are 3 more places to make up the thousands. So 11,000 is my total. So again, I've lined up all of my places correctly and neatly, which brings me to step 5. So the subtotal method will have one additional step because now I have to add my subtotals together. When I add them up, my sum still comes out to 12,633, okay? So this is just a nice reminder that you guys have 3 ways that you can make new groups as we start adding up bigger numbers. So decide the way that you like the best, and then you'll be using it as you do your math.